Good evening, everyone. Tonight we are in Claremont at the California Botanic Garden for Luminaria Nights. Now, we came to this last year for the very first time and absolutely loved it. The garden is so peaceful and it's beautifully lit with thousands of luminarias and other lights and art installations. It just opened, so we're going to do as we usually do, get ahead of everybody, get some beautiful photos and come back around. So we just went through the first set of luminarias. We're going to head deeper into the garden and see what nature awaits us here. After spending the last 3 months at theme parks at Halloween and Christmas events with people screaming and music, this is so peaceful, so calm and relaxing. There's very low crowds, just very, very peaceful. And after the drive out here on the 210, much, much needed.
Just call out my name, and wherever I am, I come running all this way to see you again.
So we just listened to an artist over there. Her name was Anamariadelacruz. She is from Claremont. Well, lived here 6 years, from Boston originally. One of the most absolute beautiful voices I've ever heard. When you hear an artist and they just kind of resonate with you, there was so much emotion in her voice, and she almost sounded sad when she was singing, but when she talked, she was very lively and funny. It was amazing. She sang James Taylor in one of the best renditions of You've Got a Friend from Carole King I've ever heard. I recorded a few of her songs. We'll edit her in. She has an album coming out next year. I absolutely loved her music and her performance. I'm actually a little choked up over it. That and the mesquite fireplace. I would have stayed and watched more, but the fire pit was killing me. This is what happened last week at Magic Mountain too. But you heard it first. Anamariadelacruz, Claremont, gonna be a star.
It's just spring, summer, or fall. All you've got to do is call, and I'll be there. Yes, I will. You got a friend, oh honey. You got a friend, oh darling. You got a friend.
This is the third time that I'm doing this because I keep forgetting to hit record. So we're doing our wrap up here in the car from the California Botanic Garden, Luminaria Nights. I was going to do it in the garden. It's just too dark. And of course, the only light in the parking lot that is out is the one right over my vehicle. Figures. So we'll do it in the car. Absolutely love this event. It's very small, very simple, but it is perfect for what it is. It's just beautifully lit luminarias, live music, some food, very, very peaceful. Really like it. Unfortunately, it is only 4 nights and a member preview, so it is over for 2023, but it'll be back in 2024. So to make sure to check out all the programming here at the California Botanic Garden throughout the year, plus put this on your calendar for next year. You don't want to miss it. Highly, highly recommend it. And check out Anamaria's social media. We'll put a link down to her Instagram, anamariadelacruz. Absolutely loved her music. That is it from Claremont. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell turned on, and follow us on social media at the Funnel Cake Blog. Good night.
I've seen fire and I've seen rain.